Now that you understand each component needed to implement a successful SEO plan, how do you monitor the successes and failures? How do you report on this to your managers and execs? Throughout this course, we've talked about paid and organic results and their differences, especially when it comes to reporting on an ROI. Now with paid, this is easy to view, but as we covered in Lesson 2, showing the ROI on organic is a little more challenging. In this lesson, we'll cover each metric that you should monitor in order to measure your SEO success. The goal of implementing SEO is to bring more organic traffic to your site. So the first metric is how much traffic you're getting on your page coming from search engines. This will show you the improvement you have made in both your rank in Google and the improvements made in your site traffic. While increasing the traffic to your site is an incredible achievement, the ultimate goal is to improve your site conversions. Now this is when someone comes to your site organically and completes a desired action like purchasing an item, completing a form, or sharing a social media post. If the rate of conversion is improving, then you're attracting the right customers to the right content and the investment in SEO has been well spent. How are your keywords ranking? Keyword research and content creation is a huge part of this process, as we've covered in Lesson 4. Are your keywords moving on to page 1 of SERP? Are they continuously ranking on page 1 or in the top 3? Continue to focus on those keywords. Adversely, are some keywords staying stagnant on the second page? This is a great indicator that it's time to target some new keywords. Perhaps perform a content analysis if you are not seeing the desired ranking. Organic bounce rate is another important metric. How many people left your site after only viewing one page? This will help you track engagement on your page and where you need to improve. What brought them to your page but then didn't keep them there? Now that we know what metrics to monitor, where can we track them? There are several free analytic tools that can assist in monitoring your SEO. Google Analytics is a free tool by Google that tracks and reports on website traffic. This can be incredibly helpful in monitoring your ROI for online marketing. To sign up, you will provide the web address of the page that you would like to track, account name, website name, and website URL. From here, you will be able to begin to monitor the metrics we've reviewed. You'll select the industry, time zone, and data sharing setting, and Google Analytics will track all of the page's data by installing a tracking code on every page of your website. While all of these are free analytical tools and are incredible resources to monitor the metrics of your SEO success, you'll have to mix and match many in order to completely monitor and sustain your SEO strategy. Platforms like Conductor Searchlight integrate these and other data sources like keyword rankings, technical site health, and many more to tell a complete story of your SEO performance. Conductor Searchlight can report on metrics on how to improve results, track your competitors, and deliver reports at whatever cadence is preferred by your organization. Watch our quick marketing tip on organic KPIs and how to demonstrate these within Conductor Searchlight. Thank you all for joining Conductor Academy's first course. We would love to produce the trainings that will be best to suit your needs, so please reach out to us at academy@conductor.com and share your thoughts by completing the course survey. Visit conductor.com for all information on Conductor offerings, and don't forget, if you aren't helping people, you're just selling stuff. Have a great day.